Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Mga kapatid, isa po sa mga tendencies natin ay yung gusto nating maging somebody. We want to be known, to be acknowledged, to be someone that other people respect. We want to be someone who will be valued by other people. Yung nais natin na tayo mga taong may kabuluhan at pinapahalagahan ng ibang tao. And so, in our world, it is like a competition of becoming the first, the greatest, and the best. At ito rin ang katanungan ng mga alagad sa ating Panginoon. And probably, there is a sense of jealousy here because some disciples who witnessed that Jesus uh, seemingly has a preference towards Peter because ito yung gospel passage after noong issue on paying tax, and Jesus miraculously paid his tax through Peter. And here the disciples asked Jesus, who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? At yung pananaw na maging makapangyarihan, best, first, and uh, greatest ay binaligtad ng Panginoon at sabi niya, kumuha siya ng bata at sabi niya, I assure you that unless you change and become like little children, you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven. Whoever becomes humble like this child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven, and whoever receives such a child in my name receives me. And so Jesus is pointing out here the importance of the virtue of humility. At yung humility na ito ay unang-una sa lahat, ang tinuturo ng pagiging mapagpakumbaba ay yung tayo ay magiging banal. And so, humility leads us to holiness. Sabi nga ni Saint Augustine, in Christianity, to be like Christ, there are only three ways. First is through humility, second is through humility, and third is through humility. See, we can enter heaven, we can be holy through humility. Pangalawa po, ang humility, ginagawa tayong epektibong lingkod ng Diyos. Kung si Lucifer sabi niya, non serviam I will not serve, the Blessed Mother teaches us that it is in humility that we can truly become effective servants of the Lord. When she said her fiat, I am the handmaid of the Lord, be it done to me according to your word. And so, humility makes us effective servants of the Lord. And finally, humility makes us Christ-like. Okay? Si Jesus, nakita niya sa atin na in the letter of St. Paul to the Philippians, yung kinumses, yung emptying of Jesus, though he was in the form of man, he humbled himself, he emptied himself and took our human form to become like us except sin. So here, it is in the emptying that we become Christ-like. And emptying here for us, yung kenosis ni Jesus ay magiging kenosis natin when we are humble. Only humble people can empty themselves so that we cannot be full of ourselves but become Christ-like. And we can say for ourselves the words of Saint Paul. Nasabi natin, it is no longer I who live, but Christ lives in me. My dear brothers and sisters, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutan mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.